Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro are both fantastic devices thanks to a great collection of high-end features and a stunning design. Now combined, all of these features mean a device or pair of devices that make them arguably the most unique flagship phones on the market. But before we dive into those 7 features, special shout out to EE for partnering with us again on this video. I'll leave a link below to EE's P20 and P20 Pro deals in case you want to check those out. Now, number 1 is the finish. Now, while there are plenty of phones out there with glass backs, there aren't many out there with a final look as good as the P20 or P20 Pro. Especially not the iridescent colours like the pink finish on the P20, or even more impressive, the twilight finish on the Pro model. These coloured models have an awesome shimmery eye-catching look to them that you just don't get on many other phones. Second up is the Leica cameras. Now Huawei is the only company that's partnered with Leica to co-engineer their smartphone cameras. And now in its 3rd generation of partnerships, it's starting to yield really impressive results. Night mode on the P20 Pro is breathtaking. Being able to shoot a 4 to 5 second exposure completely handheld and get a photo that's sharp, detailed and full of colour is pretty amazing. Number 3 is AI-powered photos. Now, as well as having its hardware engineered to high standards, Huawei has developed an AI technology that helps the camera understand what it's looking at, and then adjusts the shooting settings to match. Point it at a person and it kicks into portrait mode. Point it at greenery or flowers and it'll adapt to those. Number 4 is battery life. Now, while the P20 and P20 Pro battery capacities might not be the largest we've ever seen on a smartphone, Huawei seems to have made them capable of lasting ages, thanks again to that AI. With light use, you can get to the end of a second workday on the Pro. Even the smaller P20 model can get to the end of a full busy workday without even trying. Number 5 is navigation. It's one of our favourite features of Huawei phones over the years, or at least over the last couple of years. You can use the traditional home, back, recent apps buttons, or you can use the fingerprint sensor gestures to navigate, or the virtual navigation bar, or a navigation dock. You choose how you want to perform these frequent actions, customizing it to suit you. Number 6 is Dolby powered audio. Now with the P20 Pro, the phone can automatically detect what kind of audio you're listening to and then adjust the level to enhance that. And you guessed it, this is another part of the phone's performance that works because of Huawei's AI development. And last but not least, there's that screen. Now you can say what you want about the notch, but pushing the screen right up to the top edge really helps create an impressive immersive look, taking as much of the available space without getting rid of the useful front-facing fingerprint sensor, camera or earpiece. So there you have it, 7 features which, when combined, create a device that's quite special. Check out our full written reviews on the site, those are linked in the description below. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on all of the important social media networks. Connect with me over there and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech. I'll see you soon.